How to fix SHEIN order not updating. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and fix our problem. So first thing first, make sure that it has been a couple of days since you have placed the order, because the minimum time it takes for SHEIN to simply go ahead and update your order is 2 days. So make sure that you are patient with your order and you are not rushing. Now, if it has been more than 2 days and your order is still stuck on processing or not delivered, then this can help. Launch a SHEIN application, get logged into your account, tap onto me section, then you'll see my orders. Tap on view all. If it's showing unpaid or processing, you can go ahead and tap on self-service to find order. Tap on that and you may go ahead provide your order number to find your specific order. Type in your order number, then tap submit. And you may go ahead and simply see the status of your order. If you cannot find your order, you can also tap on this provide payment information to find your order. Go ahead, submit this form, and likewise, this will show you your order specifically. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.